Good morning, students. Next we will discuss the product rule in differentiation. What is the product rule? In product rule, if two functions are multiplied, then first function is taken as it is and we will take the derivative of second function, plus second function as it is, we will take the derivative of the first function. So this is the formula for product rule in differentiation. For example, we have a function x plus y, x plus 1 into x plus 2. So this is first function, this is second function. We will take derivative of this. Then first function as it is, derivative of second function, plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. Then we will derivate x plus 1 will be as it is. We will derivative of ddx of x will be 1, because x raised to power 0. How this has come? ddx of x raised to power 1 x raised to power 1 minus 1 will be there, so it will be anything raised to power 0 will 1, the differentiation will be 1 plus constant, derivative of constant is 0, plus x plus 2, derivative of x again 1, plus derivative of 1, that is constant, is 0. We will multiply this value and we will get the answer. Same way, if we have x square plus 1, there are two ways to solve this question. First of all, you just open this bracket and apply the addition rule for differentiation, or simply take these two functions as it is. Okay, so dy upon dx is equal to x4 ddx of x square plus 1 x square plus ddx of x raised to power 4, and we will solve this question like this. So x raised to power 4 ddx of x square 2x plus 0 x square plus 1 as it is, this is 4x cube. This is the answer. Or you just open the bracket like this and solve the question. This is not the case. Just open. On opening the, when we will open the bracket, it will come as x raised to power 6 plus x raised to power 4, and you can differentiate it according to the addition rule. But we are discussing the product rule, so I have done in this way. Next, again we have a function multiplication of 2, then again differentiation according product rule. So this is the product rule. Then we have division rule. Division rule when two functions are divided with each other. So in this is a little bit complicated one. We have denominator and denominator. Okay, when we do the differentiation, denominator as it is, differentiation of denominator, minus denominator as it is, differentiation of denominator, divide by denominator square. So this is the division rule. Okay, so if we have a function like this, so here this is your denominator, this is our denominator. Denominator as it is, differentiation of denominator, minus denominator and as it is, differentiation of denominator, upon x plus 1 square, that is denominator square. Okay, so x plus 1, this will be 2x plus 0, so I have written it 2x only, minus x square plus 1, this will be 1 and this will be 0, so 1 only. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, you try this question yourself, try the next question yourself. Okay, bacha. So now there are the simple rule for differentiation is ddx of x raised to power n is equal to n x raised to power n minus 1. Okay, this is the simple rule. But if we have a trigonometric function, if we are doing the differentiation of trigonometric function, what will happen? ddx of sin x will be cos x, ddx of cos x will be minus sin x, ddx of tan x will be secant square x, differentiation of cot x will be minus cosecant square x, ddx of secant x is equal to secant x tan x, and ddx of cosecant x is equal to cosecant minus cot x cosecant x. Okay, in this way trigonometric function directly we can write the differentiation of trigonometric function. So these are the formulas for trigonometric in differentiation. For example, we have ddx of 2x plus sin x. So 2x, 2 will be taken here, it is a real number, so ddx of x will be 1 and ddx of cos sin x will be cos x, so answer will be 2 cos x. In the same way, if y is equal to 2 sin x plus tan x, then ddx of 2 real number as it is, we will take the differentiation of sin x which will be cos x plus tan x differentiation is secant square x. Okay, and if we have y is equal to tan square x, find dy upon dx. This is a little bit complicated. So here we have power only, we have power also. So first of all we will solve this for the power, and we will take power in the front 2, tan raised to power 2 minus 1x, then we will take ddx of tan x. Okay, first of all we will solve the power. 2 tan x, ddx of tan x is secant square x. Okay, in the same way when we do ddx of x square upon dx, so 2x will be here, then again we do the ddx of x, but here differentiation of x is 1, so we don't bother and we don't write this in the previous ones. But here in trigonometric functions, as functions can be differentiable with a different result, so here we will differentiate them. So again 2 cot x plus secant x, cot x is minus cosecant square x plus tan x secant x, this is the result. Okay, and rest the questions you can note down from the notes. So this is the rules for differentiation, and I will take your doubts in the Zoom class. Okay, bache.